buddies, welcome back to my channel. And today we are making chili chicken. So it is so yummy because we had it in the previous. Right now this is the chicken that you are looking after marination of 1 hour. So the key ingredient list for the marination will be given in the description box. Now let's look at the frying pan with the chicken piece on it. Let's go. So these are the fried pieces, and now we are frying ginger garlic paste and onions. So after that we add chilies to it, and then we add all wet ingredients to that. I'll just let you know the list of ingredients in the description box as I said earlier. So just look at that. All the sauces are being added to that. Just look at the texture, how it's getting wet. The bell pepper is being added to the fry. As I said earlier, we have added all the ingredients. Now is the time for us to add all the sauces to the fry. Make sure that it's getting fried fine. Soya sauce is being added to this, and look how much I've just added. And then we'll add chili sauce to that. Now stir it a bit after you add soya sauce, and then later add chili sauce. And now let's jump into tomato ketchup, which is very interesting part. You can observe the texture is changing. So that everything gets mixed up. So the fried chicken is being added to this. Stir the mix so that the whole mix gets applied to the piece. Make sure that the piece is covered with the mixture. Thing is transferred to the container, and now we are stirring it. Just rotate it. See how the mixture is getting applied to the piece. So this is the final look of chili chicken, and we have garnished it. So how do you feel? How did we make? And wait, let me taste also. I can't show you when I'm tasting. The taste of it is very simple and very yummy. Do try it once. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be doing different videos. I can't tell you on what aspect I'll be going, but it will be so interesting, no doubt about it.